up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. It's Lizzie Atkins's way. Pop, 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 something. Yes, thank you all for staying with me on my beautiful journey. And to my new viewers who have just clicked on this video, thank you for clicking on this video, and I do hope you enjoy today's video. Today we're doing a bridal style on my favorite girl who does not have a name yet. So backstory: a lot of people on Instagram have DM'd me asking about this hair because I do a lot of bridal styles on this hair and I post it on Instagram. This is my first video posting on YouTube bridal hairstyle, and I just wanted to say on here, this mannequin came with absolutely no hair. It was bald. The hair in it I actually purchased separately. It was a wig I bought for myself initially, and I thought, you know what, I need to be practicing and I haven't got a mannequin with a hair at the moment. So I took my lace wig and I used the bold hold to lace, to stick it down on the mannequin's head. You can see it like that. So I stuck it down through. So it's a 360 wig that I bought for myself, but my CCA is using it for now until I take my time. Actually borrowing it for now. Life has given me a wig. I am making a bridal style. I am hoping to achieve this style. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and I'm gonna get right into it. Let's start. So for some reason the camera actually stopped recording and I didn't realize that it actually stopped recording. But here is the final look. Let me know if I hit or miss this style. I hope you all enjoyed watching me recreate this bridal style. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and most importantly hit that notification bell to always get a notification every time I upload new content. Thank you for watching this video. For now, stay blessed and I'll see you in my next video.